So here it is, it's 4 a.m. and if anybody knows me, I'm not a morning person at all. We're off for a walk around the ship. Why not join us?
Our journey starts on deck 5, where you'll find the gym. A state-of-the-art fitness centre with modern equipment, perfect for staying active while at sea. Moving on up to deck 6, we start at the front with the Pearl Restaurant, one of the main dining venues offering a diverse menu in an elegant setting which is included in your cruise fare. Further up the corridor we come to the Opal Restaurant, another principal dining room known for its sophisticated ambience, again included in your fare. A little further down there's Aqua Restaurant, which is the third out of the 4 main dining rooms, providing a range of culinary delights in a stylish environment, once again included in your main cruise fare. Now also down the corridor you have Anderson's Bar and Library, a cosy spot combining a well-stocked library, a selection of games and a bar, perfect for relaxation. Opposite Anderson's is a 4-screen cinema called Ocean Studios, which is included in your fare, offering a selection of films in a comfortable cinema-style setting. As we wander into the lower level of the atrium, which spans multiple decks, decks 6, 7 and 8, and serves as the central hub of the ship. It features a stunning design with floor-to-ceiling glass windows, allowing for breathtaking sea views. Home to several bars and entertainment venues, making it a lively and social space throughout the day and night. Starting with the 710 Club, an intimate venue featuring live music performances which require advance bookings. Emerald Bar, a chic bar serving a variety of beverages. Plus the Vista Cafe Bar, a cafe offering a selection of coffees and light bites for an additional charge. As we continue walking towards the front of the ship, we walk through the art gallery, which showcases a collection of artwork, providing guests an opportunity to appreciate and purchase pieces. Amongst the artwork is the entrance to the Limelight Club, a supper club offering dinner with live entertainment featuring performances by various artists, but please note that additional charges apply for the supper club until 10:30 p.m. when it becomes a late night venue. It's also used for fitness and line dancing classes during the day. At the front of Deck 6, the Spa and Health Club offers a range of treatments and facilities designed for relaxation and wellness. Finishing the deck with the lower level of the Headliners Theatre, a theatre hosting a range of shows and performances, including game shows and variety shows. Starting at the front of Deck 7, Headliners Theatre, which continues from Deck 6, providing additional seating and access. Heading out of the theatre, you've got a traditional British pub called Brodie's, offering a selection of beers, ales and entertainment such as live music and quizzes. To the side of Brodie's, kind of in the same room, is the casino, which features various gaming tables and machines for guests looking to try their luck. As we head back into the atrium, on Deck 7, the Glass House is a wine bar offering a selection of wines and tapas-style dishes. along with the cellar door, a venue for wine tastings and wine-related events. Continuing on, there's a large shopping area with an extensive range of retail outlets offering luxury goods, souvenirs and essentials. At the very back of the ship is the fourth main dining room included in your fare, called the Coral Restaurant, providing a variety of dishes in a refined atmosphere. If we turn around and start heading back towards the atrium, there are more shops as well as the shore excursions desk, where guests can book excursions and learn about port destinations. Future Cruise Desk, offering information and booking services for future P&O Cruises, plus the Photo Hub, where you can view and purchase photographs taken by the ship's photographers. Finally, on Deck 7, just before we get back to the atrium, guest services, the main reception area addressing guest inquiries and providing you assistance. As we start in the atrium Deck 8, we have the Keel Cow, a gastropub known for its gourmet burgers and steaks, but please once again note there is an additional charge here. Out of the atrium, heading towards the back of the ship, there's Ripple's Ice Cream Parlour, offering a variety of flavours and treats for an additional charge. Next we have Sindhu and the Keys. Now Sindhu is another specialty restaurant serving contemporary Indian cuisine, and again with the other specialty restaurants, additional charges apply. However, the Keys is a food market style area with various international dining options which is included in your fare. There's hook, line and vinegar, your traditional fish and chips, Asian fusion and boardwalk diner for all your burgers and fries. They also do breakfast here, and don't forget to check out the waffles, they're amazing. Around the corner from the Keys is the Olive Grove, which offers a menu inspired by Mediterranean cuisine in a relaxed setting, although some items on the menu do require an extra charge. The Clubhouse is a versatile venue which hosts live music, comedy, bingo and other entertainment, as well as late night dancing. Right outside the Clubhouse, the Sunset Bar is an outdoor bar providing panoramic views, ideal for enjoying drinks at sunset when the weather's a little warmer, of course. Now decks 9 to 15 is where you will find the majority of the cabins, so we're now up on midship on deck 16. The SkyDome spans decks 16 and 17 and is a large glass-domed venue featuring a pool, which transforms into an entertainment space with shows and events in the evening. In the SkyDome, there is your typical street food at Taste 360 with your pizzas, hot dogs, fries, etc., which is included in your cruise fare. From the SkyDome, you can enter the Horizon Buffet Restaurant, a self-service buffet restaurant with a range of international dishes that's included in your fare. At the very back, there's the Infinity Pool and Bar, an infinity pool area offering stunning sea views. As we head back through the Horizon Buffet, we come to the Beach House, which is a casual dining venue with an additional charge. On deck 17, we have the Crow's Nest, a lounge offering panoramic views accompanied by a selection of drinks and live piano music. Sun Deck, An open area equipped with loungers for sunbathing and relaxation, just maybe not in January in Northern Europe. Beachcomber Bar, an adult-only outdoor bar and pool area serving a variety of beverages. The Retreat, a premium adult-only area offering exclusive loungers, hot tubs and dedicated service, but please note additional charges apply. Panorama Pool and Bar, a pool area with an adjacent bar providing expansive views and a relaxing atmosphere. The Jogging Track, great for guests who want to jog or walk whilst enjoying ocean views. Splash Zone, a water play area designed for small children featuring various water-based activities. Golf nets and sports. Here there are facilities offering golf practice nets and a reasonable sports court area.
So the time now is 6:30. I've been filming for 2.5 hours. I've grabbed myself a cup of tea and a sticky bun, and then I'm off to bed. See you later.
So that concludes our walk around of P&O Iona. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment about your favourite part of the ship. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.